ब्रेक के बाद आपका स्वागत है। खबर है दक्षिणी राज्य तमिलनाडु से, जहां पर राज्य सरकार ने कोविड के बढ़ते मामलों को संभालने के लिए एक नए अप्रोच का इस्तेमाल करना शुरू किया है और उस अप्रोच का नाम है सिंड्रोमिक अप्रोच। इसके अंतर्गत कोविड के हल्के लक्षण वाले लोगों को आरटी-पीसीआर टेस्ट की जरूरत नहीं होती है और उनका इलाज कोविड का ऐसे ही शुरू कर दिया जाता है बिना टेस्ट रिपोर्ट के। कोविड के गंभीर लक्षण वालों को ही आरटी-पीसीआर टेस्ट करवाने के लिए कहा जाता है और तमिलनाडु स्वास्थ्य विभाग का कहना है कि उनका मकसद है कि मरीजों को जल्द से जल्द इलाज मिल जाए। हालांकि इस बात को लेकर सवाल खड़े किए जा रहे हैं कि इस नीति से क्या राज्य में जो कोविड की स्थिति है उसका सही अंदाजा लगाया जा सकेगा। मुगिलन हमारे साथ लाइव जुड़ रहे हैं और ज्यादा जानकारी लेकर। मुगिलन, गुड मॉर्निंग। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वुड लाइक टू नो, इज देयर एनी काइंड ऑफ क्लैरिफिकेशन और एनी काइंड ऑफ rationale that has been given by the state government as to why they adopted this syndromic approach at the first place?
From 13th, there was a circular issued by the Tamil Nadu state government stating that the Tamil Nadu state government will be adopting syndromic approach. So as per this new strategy, the health workers will be going door to door. That is, one health worker has been appointed for every 100 households, and they will be going door to door and for 14 days. They will be checking whether any individual in the residence have any symptoms, and if they have any symptoms, they will be considered as positive and medication will start. So this is syndromic approach, but what more important is that when a patient is considered positive and he is being treated, he will not be subjected to RT-PCR test unless he has any severe symptoms. So when a person does not have a severe symptom, then he will not be subjected to RT-PCR test, so he will not be added to the state's tally. So this is the question that arises in this syndromic approach, and we spoke with several officials in the health department, and they say that they have approached this syndromic approach is to bring the fatality numbers down, because as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, more than 300 deaths are being reported on a daily basis. So health department say when they identify a person with symptoms at the very early stage, they put him on medication, so the severity of the infection comes down, and it helps the doctors at the hospitals to treat the patients more efficiently. But there are several questions. If a person is not added to the state's tally, the active case numbers will not go up, and that means that the entire COVID strategy will have to be reworked, because the central allocation, even yesterday, the Tamil Nadu state government itself informed the Madras High Court that the central allocation completely based on the active case load here in the state. So with that being the place, when the active case is the benchmark for allocation and for revising COVID strategy, we are not adding people who considered as positive to the state's tally raises several questions.
Right. Thank you, Mugilan, for sharing those updates from Chennai.